Oh my god, it looks so good.
Yo, this is not going to plan.
Oh my god, that literally took over an hour. I'm dying! This is so fun!
All kind of create like a super formula. I'm going to cover it all.
So cold. And no one's coming. It's been 30 minutes, it's 9:30.
December 25th, 2 legends were born. One is responsible for starting the largest religion in the world. The other is an unemployed hoe based out of makes the best memes of all time. And people would always be like, holy shit.
Okay. It takes so long, it sucks.
Working on it.
Yeah.
Wait, what? Why did it change your fucking angle? Yo, this is not going to plan.
It's cute. It's cute. Give me a little Grinch thing. Something that makes it look like I'm the Grinch.
What if we made it like how the Grinch stole Christmas?
Oh, it's good!
That's so good.
Yay! Invite me. We got the setup crew. Gonna start with the Christmas tree. Let's go! 3, 2, 1. Yay! Wow! It looks so good! Oh my god, it looks so good. It's very Christmassy. Woohoo! We got the pre-lit, pre-snowed one. Looks so cute. I feel like it almost doesn't even need ornaments. It's so good. Okay, we also got these lights to project onto the wall here. Let's see. You can't really see it right now because it's not dark enough, but we're gonna project it up there. I'm going for a whole winter wonderland theme. I'm so excited. This looks so good already. At our palm table. Okay, what's next? The cake table? Yeah, let's move this. Home Depot music here. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. See? Vision. Wait, no. Cake. Tree. Me. Everyone taking pictures. You can get on the table. Wait, the tinsel. The tinsel's a pretty part. Okay, fine. Like stand far and then look at it without looking at it. Oh, wait, it looks kind of good without.
That's my point, is this looks better. And then if anything, like you can keep the tinsel like hanging and there's a little scrunch.
Ooh, okay, creative director. Alright, we got a new creative director. Wait, this looks better.
That looks really good.
This looks really good. Walking in a winter wonderland. So cute.
This in the front.
Yeah, yes. The vision is visioning.
I feel like we need to fill it a bit more.
Yeah, so the middle will be the cake stand.
Yeah.
So we'll already have that.
It's just where people are gonna put their shoes on.
I don't know, I feel like that cheapened it. I feel like that cheapened it. I don't like it. Yeah, it's okay. We'll find a space for it. It's what? Around the that lamp?
Just tie it around.
Like a candy cane?
Yeah.
Ah! Yeah, up to there is like perfect. It looks really good. The view on the city line. This is the patio area, but I doubt anyone will stay here because it's so cold. But at least some people can take pictures out here like Ingrid is.
It's so pretty. Oh god, it's too cold.
It's too cold, it's too cold. Let's go in.
3 could be fine. Yeah, 3's fine, right?
You think so?
I think so.
Yeah, I'll tell you what will happen. Like, put 3, they'll be like, oh cool, and they will they'll literally not even see this shit.
No, but there'll be a lot of them. You know, I feel like when there's more things, then you'll look up. If it's just one, see?
I kind of buy that.
Yeah. Tell the tall people to tell the short people. Tell the short people to tell them that there's stuff. I can definitely see it. Wait, it's like right now there are 2. Can we see? You can definitely see. But then like the.
Wait, this is Tangle.
Oh yeah. Oh no. I'm really gonna be doing this a lot. Yeah. We've been doing this for an hour.
I'm dying! This is so much! Wait, but it looks really good though. Not gonna lie. Look! Ta-da! Walking in a winter wonderland. Wait, I feel like it looks better from here.
This is the final result of the hallway. That's so cute. Woohoo!
It looks so good, guys.
So cute. It's a hand fold every single.
Yeah, with the hand unravel each one of these. But it looks so good. Woo! They're gonna be so impressed when they see this. Looks insane. Oh my god, it looks so good. Damn. The cake will go there. The tree, I honestly feel like the tree is like, it made everything. Like it's definitely the star of the show. And then got the little hallway. Looks so good. This is our creation. This took the most time. And then right here is when you first walk in. It's like a little village. We're gonna get batteries for these little candles and possibly put like a sign there. We're thinking Merry Birthday since it's Merry Christmas and birthday combined. Oh yeah, the candy cane. The candy cane lamp. How could I forget? Gabby's contribution. The blob. And then the snowflake light. It looks so good. Very festive. We have our little beer pong table in that corner, and then we're gonna do the bar in this other corner. Next time we'll be here will be before the party on Friday.
And not looking like this.
Not, not looking like this. Alright, see you later. Hey, we're officially 3 days away from the party on Friday. So today we're going to be picking out a bunch of playlists to play at the party. I thought about making my own playlist, but just to make it easier for me, I'm just going to be listening to a bunch of YouTube playlists and playing a string of those at the party. They're usually around 30 minutes to an hour, so if I find like 3 to 4 of those, then I think it will be perfect. Okay, so here's the vision. I think around 9 to 10 p.m. when people are still coming in and settling into the party, I want to play more Christmas music, like dancey, upbeat Christmas music, not like Oh Holy Night type of Christmas music, you feel me? Once a lot of people come and the party is like really popping, I want to transition into like hip-hop dance music. So let's listen to some hip-hop while I do some work. I'm back. I've been working for a couple of hours now and have been listening to a bunch of music to try to pick some good playlists, and this is a list that I came up with. I think it's a pretty good number of playlists. There's a little bit of Christmas music in there, hip-hop, K-pop. There's definitely something that I think everyone would like. So I think that was a really good productive work session. Next, I'm gonna be doing something that I have been putting off for a couple months now, and that is to go through my skincare and makeup PR. I have so much in here. So this is all the PR that Brian sent me for my Taxinoodle beauty account on TikTok. There are hundreds and hundreds of products in here, and I've been wanting to go through this and declutter and pick out the products that I have duplicates of, have expiration dates that are less than a year out, or in the case of makeup, some of the shades just don't work for me, so the ones that I know I wouldn't use. Like there's just no way I can use all these products myself. Like I don't know if you guys can actually see this, but there are rows and rows and rows of products back there, and I definitely can't even use all these in my entire lifetime. So yeah, that's that. But you're probably asking what this has anything to do with my birthday party. Well, I wanted to set up a little station at my party where people can just take all these products for free. I'm so blessed to be able to try out all these products every day, and I want to share this with my friends too. So I'll be picking out everything and lugging everything over to the venue on Friday. Oh my god, that literally took over an hour. It took literally forever, and I didn't even touch the makeup. I only did skincare, and this is everything that I picked out. It's here, down here. It's already a lot, and tomorrow I'm going to have to go through my makeup and do the exact same thing. So yeah, let's do it tomorrow too. Hello, it's party day. The party starts at 9, but I'm gonna be there at 7 to finish setting up and take some pictures. So we have about 3 hours to get ready, which is a long time, but I really didn't want to feel rushed and frazzled because I'm already kind of anxious about it. So let's quickly get ready and haul all the stuff over. You guys are gonna call me crazy for this, but I actually use 4 different types of foundation. It definitely helps with the shade match, and because the formulas are all a little bit different, I feel like they all kind of create like a super formula. Well, I actually mix 3 different types of foundation together, and at the end I go in with a cushion
Foundation that's a little bit lighter just to highlight some high points of my face. It's the Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk. This is like my 5th bottle. I absolutely love this. It's my holy grail. And then this one is Laura Mercier. I also love this one. It's really runny, so I feel like it's really good to mix with thicker foundations. And the last one is actually a Mishap BB cream. I saw that Korean makeup artists always mix BB cream because it really helps with the application and it just goes on so smoothly. So I started doing it too, and I've been really liking how my foundation looks. And I mixed this all with my MAC brush. I've had this for like 10 years, and then this hydro sponge. So that's what I've been doing. I actually love how blinding this lighting is right now. I feel like I can see every little imperfection. I'm going to cover it all.
Okay, I forgot to show you guys the dress I'm wearing. I got a bunch of dresses from Revolve, and I thought about making like a separate video to see like and like having people help me choose, but I already knew what I was gonna wear like immediately, so I didn't like even want to pretend. This is the dress. It's this black and gold number. It's like a midi length, and even though it's not like in your face holiday Christmas, I still think it's pretty festive. Honestly, the fit could be a little bit better. Like I wish the waist was a little bit more cinched in, but it's like whatever, it's fine. I'm gonna commit to it. Goodbye. So I'm not gonna wear the dress because it's freezing outside. So last thing I'm gonna do is put on some scents. I think I'm gonna go with the Bum Bum Cream. I love like the scent of this. I'm still not over it, and I'm going to layer it with Tom Ford Lost Cherry. I feel like it's just perfect for winter. I love cherry in general, and so yeah, that's going to be the combo for today. I'll see you guys there. Happy birthday. That's a little grand.
We never tried.
Let's ask the vlog. Does this look good? Wait, move your head, duck your head. It looks great. Cute Christmas trees on our little bottles. And a huge cookie platter. I want to take pictures before people get here because I think it'll be way too chaotic. I literally brought 3 cameras and a phone, so we'll have multiple angles for the vlog as well. I'm so committed to this. Our first guest is here. Woohoo! So I'm using her as part of the setup crew. Okay, so the goal is we want to put like some type of lettering here, but like can we put something like witty? Okay. I don't know, you're Gen Z, can you like the pressure is on. Like I thought Merry Birthday was cute, you know? But I don't have enough letters for that. Gotcha. That's too bad. The S pop, so we're gonna replace it with a 2. There's only one person here so far. No one likes me. No one likes me. No one's coming. It's been 30 minutes. It's 9:30.
Usually come up.
The setup crew is reunited. I just showed Ingrid what we did with the candles. So cute! We had more friends show up. Happy birthday! I'm so happy. There's like skincare stuff, there's like makeup stuff. You can pick out whatever you want. It's all new, so it's mostly Korean stuff.
What's the ones you like the most?
Okay, my favorites are this one.
Okay.
Biodance toner pad. It's like gel, so it doesn't dry out as easily.
Okay.
I love the Purito moisturizer if I can find it. So this one is super like lightweight, but it's also really hydrating. I used it in the winter and the summer, so I think that one's really perfect. That's mine. Yeah, you can take that one. And then there's like a bunch of sunscreens and like cleansers and stuff in their face wash, but it also doubles as like a pore cleansing mask.
Okay.
So this one's also perfect. So Sean gets this one.
Thank you.
This is all makeup and this is all skincare. Wow. But let's go. Not even close. Not even close. But okay. So it's gonna do it. I'm gonna be happy.
Got a good she needs to drink more.
Okay, thank you for coming. Next year is my 10-year anniversary in New York City, so I feel like it's a cool time here. And I feel like this group really represents like all my eras in New York. Like from college to COVID through post-grad, over slavery to now unemployment. So thank you so much for being part of my life. I'm so happy you guys are here to celebrate with me.
We didn't have any utensils, so we didn't get to eat the cake. So whoever is left, we're gonna just dig into this cake with a bunch of forks. Get the fork. 3, 2, 1.
This is the thickest cake I've ever eaten. It's so thick.
The cake was finally eaten. Party was a big success. We're just cleaning up now. Let's go home.
We came to retrieve the flowers I got, and turns out our friend told our cleaner to throw them out. So, no flowers, couldn't find them anywhere. They're in the trash somewhere. Sad. But, yummy flowers. Our party was such a big success. We had over 70 people. I'm so happy it was such a good party. Thanks for watching my vlog. I'll see you guys on the next one.